Hey, how you doing? Coach Schmoot here. Hey, let's talk about week 15. Week 15 flag football tournament. Sounds like a lot of fun. Should be a lot of fun. Couple things. Flag football tournament is going to take place on Thursday, May 8th at Desert Breeze. If you don't know how to get there, then you need to check the website. I put a link up to Desert Breeze. You need to be there at 9:30. That's when we're going to get into teams, and I'm going to check everybody in. We're going to see how many teams there's going to be. I think there's at least going to be 4, maybe even more. So we need to, from 9:30, as soon as we check in, to 10 o'clock, you guys are going to have some time to practice with your team. Then at 10 o'clock, we'll get the games going. And again, depending on how many teams there are, that's going to depend on how many games there's going to be. It's a single elimination tournament. Once you guys, once you lose, you can no longer go to the championship, but we might have some consolation games. The biggest thing in this tournament is because it's almost the end of the year, and there's a huge project due in Logic and Rhetoric, the administration and your Logic and Rhetoric teachers don't want you to miss class, your Logic and Rhetoric class on Thursday. So if you are one of my students and you have homeroom and Logic and Rhetoric on Thursday, then you need to talk to your teacher or the administrators and ask them if you can skip that and come out to our tournament. Again, you need to, there's quite a few students that have already switched and are going to just go to Logic and Rhetoric in the afternoon on Thursday. Because here's how what we're going to do. 9:30 you check in. From 9:30 to 10 o'clock you practice. First game is at 10 o'clock. We're going to play 20-minute halves with a 5-minute halftime. So roughly about 10:50, 11 o'clock we'll do our next game. And then that game might be our championship game. Again, it just depends on how many teams we have. Roughly going to eat about 12:15. We're going to get pizza for you guys. We figured that's a little bit easier than doing a cookout. So we'll get pizza for you guys. We'll get stuff for you to drink. And we'll also get some fruit. You know, got to try to keep it healthy because of PE class. Anything else that you would like to eat, you need to bring. Love for, you know, whoever wants to pitch in and bring some dessert for everybody. But again, we're going to have pizza, fruit, and probably some water and some soda. I think that's it. Again, this should be pretty fun. I think if you have any questions, email me. All this is online, also the itinerary and everything. But again, one last thing: if you're an individual and you're not playing with your team or with your class, that's fine. Some of your classes, because of who's got homeroom on Thursdays, they're not going to have 7 people, so there'll be plenty of room for individuals that just want to come and you know, play. Also, if you don't want to play, you don't have to. You can just come watch, hang out, help Coach and I kind of with stats and getting everything ready to eat and all that good stuff. So email me. Let me know if you have any questions or any comments, and I will see you guys next week. Oop, I lied. I told you that was the last thing, but this is the last thing. Class is business as usual. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, class business as usual. Thursday, though, because we're going to be starting at 9:30 over at Desert Breeze, the 9 o'clock sunset class we're not going to have. All right? And then the Desert Breeze class, if you don't want to come, you don't have to. I mean, this is all optional. It is extra credit worth 20 points. All right? Email me. Have any questions? Thanks. Bye.